Hi, hello everyone! It's me, Marjen, your Realtor King. So ngayon, nandito tayo ngayon sa Casara Urban Resort Type Residences here in Pasig. Naghahanap ka ba ng mala resort condo unit na residential here in Pasig? Tara, Casara Urban Resort, it's really set for you. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa 22.05, the model unit of studio. So ito ang papakita namin sa inyo. This one is for idea purposes only. So, ginawa namin to kasi sa our client ginagaya yung aming mga layout and then kung paano mag-interior ng 22.05 na studio unit. So, this one is our dining area. And this one is our living area. So kung makikita nyo dito, ito yung aming space for refrigerator. And yan yung aming kitchen. So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Casara Elevated Garden. So si Casara, we have 6 tower here. And then malapit po siya sa Mega Mall, SM Mega Mall. 9 minutes lang po travel from there. And then malapit din po ito sa BGC. Tara guys, mag-quick tour tayo sa unit namin dito. So kung makikita nyo sa aking likuran, ito po si Casara Tower 5 and this one is Casara Tower 3. Si Casara Tower 5 turnover 3rd quarter or 4th quarter this year, and then si Tower Casara 3 which is ongoing, turnover na po siya. Only 5% down payment for you to move in. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa actual unit ni 2 bedroom dito sa Casara. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Tingnan natin yung turnover. So dito, kung makikita niyo yung window namin, we have big window there. Dito yung sa dining area natin and living area. So ito yung provision for aircon. And this one, ipapakita ko rin sa inyo yung ating kitchen, which is ito yung turnover namin ng kitchen. We have up or down cabinet. And then, pupunta naman tayo sa my toilet and bath. So, kung makikita natin toilet and bath, merong shower and provision for washing machine. And then, pakita mo yung turnover natin. So, tara guys, samahan niya ako, papasok tayo sa room para mapakita ko sa inyo yung actual turnover. So dito sa room, meron tayong provision din dito ng aircon. And then as you can see, malaki yung ating window dito. And then dito sa isang room, meron tayong balcony. Yan, overlooking po yan sa kabilang tower. And then, pupunta tayo sa master's bedroom. So this one guys, yung master's bedroom namin, ito yung deliverable namin ng unit. Kung makikita nyo, merong sariling toilet and bath. And provision also for washing. And then we have also another balcony. So dito sa kay Kasara, every room meron tayong balcony. That one. So this one facing Tower 2. For ready for occupancy, we required 5% down payment. And then we have pre-selling, no down payment, start 13K monthly only. For those interested, please message me para bigyan ko kayo ng actual computation and actual layout. So ladies and gentlemen, have a great day. See you for my next one.